If you want to know how to full screen itch.io games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to make an itch.io game fill your screen so you can play with a bigger view and a more immersive experience. This is super helpful if the game opens in a smaller window and you want to switch to full screen in just a couple of clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, open the game on itch.io. Once the game loads, look for the Play or Run Game button and click it to launch the game. Depending on the game, it may open in a browser window or in an embedded game player on the page. After the game starts, look carefully at the game window itself. You should see a full screen icon that usually looks like two arrows or a square symbol, often shown as this. This icon is usually near the corner of the game window, and it's the one you need to click to make the game fill your display. Go ahead and click that full screen icon. As soon as you do, the game should expand to full screen and hide most of the browser distractions, giving you a much better view of the gameplay. If the game doesn't immediately react, wait a second, or make sure your browser allows full screen mode for the page. Some browsers may ask for permission before switching, so just confirm it if needed. Now, if you want to exit full screen, you can usually press the Escape key on your keyboard. That's the fastest way to minimize or leave full screen and return to the normal windowed view. In some cases, you may also be able to click the full screen icon again to toggle back, but Escape is usually the easiest option to remember. And that's all there is to it. Open the game, click Play or Run Game, find the full screen icon, and click it to enjoy itch.io games in full screen. Then press ESC whenever you want to go back. It's a simple trick, but it makes a big difference when you want a cleaner and more comfortable gaming experience. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.